Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics, and we're going to be continuing on with our Django series, and we are going to be wrapping up our form section today, I promise. This is kind of why I've been a little hesitant about Django, because there is so much stuff. But, like always, we do micro videos, we do one thing at a time. So if you're new here, thanks for joining us. Like I alluded to, we do micro videos. So the last time we were playing around with the with our form, we were sitting over here and we were going through and we were working with these fields. Well, then we had a website, or then we had a page that came up and it had everything there, and it really wasn't that pretty. So what happens if it would be awesome if we had something like this right here, and then oops, what happens if we had something here like this? Wouldn't this look a little bit neater? So alright, let's look at some code. So I'm gonna have this on GitHub so you can go and look at it. The only real difference that you need to worry about that is new from what we did. So there are some attributes. So what we've done, what we've gone through here, and so we have regular, we have some boilerplate stuff right here. Some links that make this nice and pretty. Sets this over here and tells everything to go on this edge. So let's look and see. So if you look really close, you'll recognize this, our token, and then all of this right here, and I'll bring your attention to it. This down here is our submit button. If you look really close, you'll recognize this as well. Everything else here is HTML. Div is division, so it gives its own group. This is a format layout. You can play with these numbers to give more padding. Here's our token. Here's our form, method, and action. Now, what you may not recognize right here is the form. So we have our form and we have our fields, right? So all this is the form name and then the label. So that is where all of this is coming from. Form, label. And that's why the label's first. So it's going first, second, then the next div. Alright? First, second, div, and it goes down. And then we have each of these, and it's just our curly brackets, just like we had over here. All right, and it just has the attributes. So all right, let's go ahead and use it. So we got Tommy B, Tommy, and boy, and it's T-boy at xyz.com. And what about this? What about this? Submit. Come on over here, hit refresh, boom. And now we have, let's bring this over here. Now we have all of our fields filled in, and then you can go in here and you have somebody and you can give him more access. Let's bring this so you can see everything up. There we go. Just like this. So there we go. I swear we should be done with the forms page. I know this isn't the prettiest, but what we're here to do is to show you Django. You can go and get some CSS and some Bootstrap and really make this pretty. This was as far as I really wanted to go, because you can like, I mean, this is our third or fourth video on the registration page, so I really didn't want to spend any more time jumping and falling into, because we already have this up here. You can put a whole style section in here with CSS to really give this some body, but I don't want to veer into that. We are going to stick with Python and Django. This is as far as I really want to go. So all right, there's that. We're going to be wrapping this up. We're going to be then working on going to our login page. We need to deal with that, and then dealing with authentication. So all right guys, as always, thank you for watching. Stay tuned, and we will see you guys next time. Bye guys. Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. I hope you really enjoyed today's video. And if you haven't, check out this video right here or this one right down here. And most important, make sure you're hitting this subscribe button and the notification bell. Thanks again for joining us, and we hope to see you next time. Bye guys.